Hi, Martha Farrell here on another exciting hike. Today I'm at the Wappinger Greenway Trail. I'm in the town of New Hamburg by the playground. And as the great Yogi Berra said, when you come to a fork in the road, take it. All right, now I am looking at Wappinger's Creek. And here looks like the trail goes through an old cemetery. That should be pretty cool to look at. All right, I think we've reached a high point in the trail. You see the village of Wappingers over there and the creek going by. A couple of Canadian geese. I've reached the end of the trail. It was a beautiful hike and I highly recommend it.